Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Today we're going to try the famous whipped coffee that you see on TikTok. This is also popular in Korea, so we thought we'd try it today because we love drinking coffee every single day. So we thought this would be fun to try.
Yeah, so it's equal parts of each ingredient. So it's 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of hot water, and then it just takes instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of it. So
I had this little Starbucks instant coffee, but I know you can use like any kind of instant coffee. It doesn't have to be this brand. Hard part is once you start mixing it. So let's go ahead, get our ingredients together, and then we'll start whisking.
1 ounce is equal to 2 tablespoons. So
This should be exactly how much you need of coffee. Spoons of sugar. Okay, so here's what it looks like so far. It looks pretty gross. So now you're gonna mix until you get that beautiful peanut buttery tan whipped color. Okay, so he's been mixing for a few minutes and now we're getting this like caramel color. I was getting tired.
yeah.
We cheated. We had to pull up the hand mixer, which if you have one, go ahead and do that first thing. But here is what it looks like. And by the way, I know we could have been mixing that with the hand mixer the whole time, but I couldn't find our little attachments.
So it's got that clumpy.
Yeah. It probably could have been mixed a little bit more, but we're just ready to try it already. So it's that beautiful, like, peanut buttery color. I say let's try it. Got my glass of ice. I've heard you can use like hot milk if you want a hot coffee, but I like iced coffee. So let's get the milk. And I know if you want this to be like completely dairy free, you can use almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, whatever. But I just have some whole milk into a glass. Plop that right in. Don't really know how much to use. I got a pretty big cup, so. Oh my goodness. That's what it looks like. Let's try this. I've heard it tastes like cereal milk, and that's kind of what it tastes like.
That's actually really good.
It is really good. It tastes like cereal milk. I could probably use some more of the coffee because I'm not getting a huge coffee taste. I'm getting more of like a
Sugary milk.
yeah, just like cereal milk.
Cereal milk, sugar milk.
So this is actually Honey Nut Cheerios, which yeah, I could see that. It tastes almost a little cinnamony. But I keep picturing Honey Nut Cheerios though. Like once I heard that, yeah. So there you have it. Whipped coffee. We probably could have mixed it a little bit longer, but hey, we deserve this. What do you think? What does it taste like to you?
I'd say probably the Cheerios.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you try this. And if you have a hand mixer, go ahead and pull it out because we wanted to try the whole whisking, and yeah. After so long, we were like, let's try to find our attachments, and luckily we found them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye!